Workers turn to ferrochrome, an alloy of chrome and iron that contains between 45 and 65% chrome.
Trying to get all of that over.
It's added to the scrap to achieve at least 10.5% chromium content. Anything lower than that.
That's a good needle.
Though it may not look the part, adding just 2 tons of this granular chrome mixture to each 150-ton batch of scrap ultimately adds extreme corrosion resistance.
I'm glad I got her hiccups recorded. Oh, it's okay, baby girl.
Okay.
It's okay, baby girl. It's okay.
After reaching a temperature of 2200 degrees Fahrenheit in 45 minutes, now molten metal heads to a refining vessel.
Okay, are you done? You just got the hiccups?
Impurities in the steel, carbon, and salt. We'll stop midpoint and take a sample from
Hi, Taboo. Yes.
We have an overhead alloy system where we add further chrome.
While stainless steel may have as little as 10.5% chromium, this particular mixture destined for flatware production requires 10% chrome. The higher percentage of chromium is essential for the flatware to withstand a host of corrosive agents.
Many of the household items that we take for granted are costly, and they eat into the steel. In this experiment, we took common household items such as vinegar, and we applied it to one sample, which was stainless steel, and the other, a low carbon. What we're doing is we're going to remove the vinegar from here, but as we remove it, you can see that there's no rust. With this, a low carbon steel, as we remove the vinegar, it's a different story. Because of the lack of chrome, you see the corrosion process begin.
From wine to soda to bleach, the results are all the same.
That's pretty nifty.
Steel with more than 20% chrome because it doesn't have much more corrosion resistance, but significantly increases the cost.
She really does not like that.
Steel reaches the specified chrome concentration. It's molded
Daddy torturing you, baby.
4,000 degree Fahrenheit
Oh.
to 35-ton, 40
Oh, poor baby.
forms called slabs.
They're brought to the hot mill furnace, which is behind me here. At that point in time, they are placed into the furnace, and then in the furnace approximately 2.5 hours to reheat the slabs to around 2,320 degrees Fahrenheit. To reduce their strength, so we're able to hot roll the product.
The hot mill uses 2 rollers to compress the 43-foot-long 8-inch thick slab.
Still one with pillows.
Okay.
Just under a fifth of an inch thick.
I like to play with my feet too.
Next, the new
Oh. You
Yeah, it was
okay? Are you okay? What's wrong? What's wrong, Josh?
I don't know, she's probably
Maybe
just
she needs to be
tired.
burped. Again. Or it's the hiccups. It's them big bad hiccups. Oh, Phoebe. Oh, Phoebe girl.
Here, she's comfortable. Come on. You wanna lay down with me? Let's lay down with me.